It's summertime, it's hot, and I haven't made a pair of shorts in a long time, so let's get to it. The fabric for the pocket is an old dye bag for hosiery. Very sustainable of me. For those ever wondering what the difference between an industrial lock stitch machine and a home sewing machine is, this is it. Every time I stop, the needle stays down and I lift the presser foot by pressing my heel on the foot pedal. A home sewing machine, you have to turn the hand wheel to make sure the needle stays down and lift the foot with the hand lever. I did run into a problem here. Every time the needle went through the fabric, there was a popping sound, and that was due to a burr on the needle. The top is a new needle, the bottom is the bad needle. I film and edit all these myself. I'm always struggling to find a good camera angle that isn't just my hand in the way. Took a creative risk with some contrasting binding. Rotary cutters are very nice for cutting lines, but always wear your protective glove. Folders make life a lot easier. Lap seam was a little more time consuming. Another creative choice that paid off though. Inserting and securing that elastic in the waistband is a trade secret. They could use a good pressing, but this was originally a baggy pant pattern I made a while back and just eyeballed it to modify it into a short pattern. They look like a boxing trunk, but more importantly, I think I found some good camera angles moving forward.